This is an online class video of date 6/8/2020. As we know that we have started with our chapter number 5th, exercise 15 5.1, and we have completed our first, second and third. In fourth also we have done many questions. So we will be solving the remaining part. So we will start with exercise question number 5th. It is 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. Now we know that in this question we need to find out whether it is an AP or not. That we have to find it out, and if it is an AP, then we have to find out the three more terms. Okay, means that is T5, T6 and T7. Right, we have already done this kind of question, so you know this thing. So I'll be taking you the first part of it. Okay, so now first one, it is given to us. So what we will do, first we'll check whether it is an AP or not. So A is equal to 3, D is equal to T2 minus T1, that is T2 is 3 root 2 minus 3, T1 is 3, right? So we will find out the value 3 plus root 2 minus 3, plus 3 and minus 3 will get cancelled, so answer will come root 2. Similarly, second one, it is T3 minus T2, so again 3 root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. If you solve this thing, you will get 2 root 2 minus root 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2 will be root 2 only, right? So here value of D is coming same. If value of D is coming same, so we have to find out the value of three more terms. So T5, T6 and T7. So now what is T5? Value of T5 is equal to A plus 4D. So 3 plus 4, value of D is root 2. So 3 plus 4 root 2. Similarly, T6 is equal to A plus 5D. So 3 plus 5 root 2. And T7 is equal to, value of T7 is equal to 3 plus 6D is equal to 3 plus 6 root 2. Okay. Next, question number 6. They have given the value 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.4 times 2. So now here also we'll check further whether it is an AP or not. So for checking that, what we need to do is, we have to check whether it is an AP or not. First term is given 0.2. First term is given 0.2. Okay. Second is A is equal to 0.2. D is equal to T2 minus T1. So 0.22 minus 0.2 will get the answer 0.02. Next is D is equal to T3 minus T2. 0.222 minus 0.22 will get the answer 0.2002. Now here value of D is not coming equal. Correct. If value of D is not coming equal, that means it is not an AP. So hence the given term does not form an AP. Okay. Next, question number 8. Now question number 7 I have given in homework. So now question number 8, it is given minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, and 4 times it is given minus 1 by 2 only. So let us take to the solution part of it. So minus 1 by 2 is there. We can directly say this as well that it is an AP because all the terms are same, but we have to show the method in it. So let us show the method of it. A is given minus 1 by 2, D is given T2 minus T1, so T2 is minus 1 by 2, minus will become plus. Plus and minus will get cancelled, so answer will come 0. Second term is also similar, the answer will come 0 only. Okay, and as you know that the terms are same, all these terms are same, so T5, T6 and T7 will be equal to minus 1 by 2 only. All these terms will be equal to minus 1 by 2. And 10th question, question number 10, they have shown the terms as A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, 4A like that. So now we'll check whether it is an AP or not. So first A is equal to A only, and we will find out the value of D. Value of D is equal to T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1 will become 2A minus A. T2 is 2A, so 2A minus A will become A. And T3 minus T2, 3A minus 2A will become A only. So yes, D is coming equal, so it is an AP. We'll find out T5, T6 and T7. So T5 is equal to A plus 4D. So A plus 4A is equal to 5A. T6 is equal to A plus 5D. A plus 5A is equal to 6A. And T7 is equal to A plus 6D. So A plus 6A is equal to 7A. A. So now this remaining questions I will tell all the students to find out and try this in homework to find out the answer. After doing this many questions, I think you will be able to solve the remaining questions of the same type. Okay, thank you.